In this video, we'll be solving proportions that simplify to linear equations. The first one, 9 over 6 equals 2x over 10. So in order to do these fraction problems, the first thing that we have to understand is how to cross multiply. In order to cross multiply, we have to take the numerator of the left side and multiply it by the denominator of the right side. So 9 times 10. So we go 9 times 10. Then we're going to go ahead and take the denominator of the left side and multiply it by the numerator of the right side. So 6 times 2x. Now let's work downwards. 9 times 10 is 90. Equals, then 6 times 2x on the right hand side is 12x. So this becomes our equation, 90 equals 12x. To get x by itself, remember 12 times x. To undo multiplication, we divide by 12. On our calculator, take 90 divided by 12. And our answer is 7.5. So we can write it as x equals 7.5. Our next problem says 6 divided by b minus 3 equals 8 divided by 7. Again, let's try and do our cross multiplication. So we're going to go ahead and take 6 times 7. Write that down. 6 times 7 equals. And then we're going to take our denominator of b minus 3 times 8. So b minus 3, whoops, make that look like a b, not a 6. B minus 3 times 8. So on our left-hand side, we have 6 times 7, or 42. And on our right-hand side, we have b minus 3, in parentheses, times 8. So I'm going to go ahead and distribute the 8 to the b and the 8 to the minus 3. So 8 times b is 8b. And 8 times a negative 3 is a negative 24, or simply minus 24. Remember, plus negative 24 and minus 24 are the same thing. Now we're going to have to isolate the b by itself, and in order to do that, first we have to add 24 to both sides. Add 24 to both sides. 42 plus 24, that's pretty easy. I can go 66. And negative 24 plus 24 is 0, so I just have 8b left on the right hand side. Now to undo multiplication, again we divide by 8. 66 divided by 8, let's use a calculator. 66 divided by 8 equals, and the answer is 8.25. So that means our answer B is 8.25. In this case, I chose to write the answers as a decimal. Make sure you read the directions in the problems that are stated.